In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable SSL certificate checks in Zapier step by step. If you've been running into connection issues, testing an integration, or you simply need to adjust a security setting for troubleshooting, this walkthrough will help you find the right option quickly. I'll keep it simple, clear, and easy to follow so you can do it in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Zapier in your browser and go to your account dashboard. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where Zapier keeps your account and workspace settings, so that's the first place we need to go. After clicking your profile, a menu should appear. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you into the main settings area for your Zapier account. Now, inside Settings, look for the Security and Data section. This is where Zapier stores options related to account security, data preferences, and connection behavior. Click on Security and Data to continue. Once you're inside that area, find the option labeled SSL Certificate Checks. This setting controls whether Zapier verifies SSL certificates when connecting to certain services. If you need to turn off SSL checking for a specific workflow or troubleshooting scenario, this is the section you want. Click on SSL Certificate Checks and then look for the option that says Disable SSL Checks. Tick that box to turn the feature off. After selecting it, make sure the setting is saved or applied, depending on what Zapier shows on your screen. At this point, SSL certificate checking should be disabled in your Zapier settings. If you were doing this to fix a connection problem, go back and test your Zap again to make sure everything is working the way you expect. It's always a good idea to double check your workflow after changing security-related settings. Just a quick reminder, disabling SSL checks can make a connection less secure, so only do this when you really need it for testing or compatibility reasons. If you no longer need it disabled later, you can always come back and turn it back on for better security. And that's it. You've now learned how to disable SSL certificate checks in Zapier. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.